Hello, dear students. Today we are going to attempt worksheet number 5 for English for English for class 9 for the date 17th April 2021. Students, this worksheet is on articles, and we have done articles in class 6, 7, 8, and you all know what articles are. There are 3 articles that we have in our English language. And article is a word used alongside a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. We get to know what kind of reference we are making to the noun, and it may indicate number or volume. So there are 2 types of articles. One is a definite article, which tells us something of the noun that we have already spoken of, or the noun which is a definite noun, like which is a particular noun. And indefinite, that is a and an. An is used with vowels, and you all know there are 5 vowels in English language, and they are a, e, I, o, u. So these are 5 vowels, and the rest of the 21 alphabets are consonants. So total alphabets in English language are 26. We all know that. So let us move on. A and an have the same meaning. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. So an is used with a word which starts with a which starts with a vowel. We can say honest. Now honest, here H is silent and the sound of O is coming. Apple is A. Apple is a word starting with the alphabet A, and we use an before apple. And as I've told you, honest is H is silent and the sound that comes out is O, which is again a vowel. So an honest man, an apple. So this way we use an with vowels and a with consonants. A is used before a singular noun, for example a ball, a tree, a book. Moving on, usage of an. An is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound, for example an apple, an umbrella, an R. Now here see R. Same way as I've told you about honest. Here also R, sound of H is silent. So that is why we use an before that. Right? So sound of the letter is also important. We cannot ignore the sound that comes out. If the first alphabet is silent, then we have to see the sound that is coming. If the sound coming of a word is starting with a vowel, then we have to use an. Right? Now you need to you have certain blanks that you need to fill with a and an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. This is, I think, pretty much simple. I have dash book in my I have dash English book in my bag. English is a word starting with the vowel E. So I have what? I will say an English book, right? Then she is reading dash old comic. Old again starting with O. She is reading an old comic, right? So here goes this an. 1 minute, why is it not working? Yes, now it's moving on to the next one. They have got an idea. Idea is starting with the word, with the alphabet I. So they have got an idea. And I'll write like this with the pen. I think you will be able to understand. Rahul has dash mole on his right cheek. So M is not a vowel. So a mole on his right cheek. The girl is dash pilot. Again, P is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So the girl is a pilot. It takes me dash hour to get to school. Now R. H is not a vowel, it is a consonant, but H is silent. हार नहीं बोलते हम, R बोलते हैं. So sound of O is coming. So that is why we will use an here. It takes me an hour to get to school. Ritu has a beautiful dress. My cousin is a doctor. My father is, again, honest and honest person. Then Picasso is an artist. So here we have completed our worksheet. Now you have a message. You need to maintain physical distance of 6 feet or 2 yards if you are going out. It's better you stay at home because the condition is worsening day by day. Children, it's very important that we need to take care of our health, the health of our nears and dears one, the people around us. We need to take care of everybody. We don't have to go out unless and until it is very, very necessary. So avoid going out of the house and maintain social distance. Keep sanitizing your hands, keep washing them, and take care.